Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP 500 index fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, the DXY or US dollar analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as you see, guys, here, the SP 500 was it done till now. People they've been with us for some time now. Also, we used to have here that channel when it's getting broke here. We enter long here. Yesterday, we are here at that peak here. Then the market, it came down till here. That's what I told you. I told you we need to make a close eye here if it's going to break down or it's going to go higher here. Till now, what it's showing to us, it came here again to that level here. So I think, guys, that the max where it's going to go. Why? Because tomorrow is going to come the CPI. So we need to make a close eye what is going to happen. People, they enter from down here. Over here, you protect yourself. Now try to move the stop loss to here to break even, because we don't know what's going to happen in the time of CPI. Maybe it's going to break higher here, or maybe it's going to come back again. And I'm going to show you why I'm thinking it's going to come back down in that video. So make sure to watch all the video from the start till the end. So here in that level where we are is a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it here, how it used to be here, and now you are in it. The first time we couldn't break it. Now we are in the second time, and now the European market closed. So maybe it's going to fall down again because it will not still more power here to drive it up. So also now we will wait until now if it give us here price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. We'll close our long position and we will open a short position. If it continued upward, also we enter from down here, so we don't care where it will go. Now I told you move the stop loss to here to break even. Over here you take some of the profit and now you are in it again. Let's see now what's going to happen. By the way, yes, you. Are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Why? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, every day putting for you two videos. Every day, two videos. One after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the market doing right now. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, you're going to be notified, or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what they're saying today. So let's go in there. Our indicator, as you see it, it's enter here to the overbought area. Now, as I told you, protect yourself. To enter short, we don't got any price action here, indicating for us we need to enter short. Unless if it give us here a double top like that, or give us here a wedge or something like that, that maybe. But now there is nothing yet. Also now here we need to wait in a little bit. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, look with me here. Very, very clear. Here, what you got? Here, you got a mega phone. You saw it or no? That one, if you want to enter short, it needs to come down to break here. So if it came down here, it's going to give us that double top also we're talking about in the 4 hours. So here in 30 minutes, there is nothing new here. And that level here, we are in it again. From here, we fall down the first time. Now we are here again. And the people they being with us, we told them to enter long from here in 30 minutes. When it's breaking here, we told them to enter long. Now, did you got any price action here indicating for you to enter short? You can make like that, like a mega fall like that, and you wait it if it's getting broke here, then you enter short to the 200 moving average. I'm going to tell you why I'm still now focused about entering short. I'm going to tell you why in that analysis here in 30 minutes. Let me show it to you. Our indicator, as you see it here, is it here at the overbought area. Second thing, level, you are in a very stronger level. Third thing, price action, you got here a mega fall like that. Now if it came and breaking down here, enter short. That's the first thing. Let me show you another thing. Look with me here in our indicator. Look here and look here. What you seeing? Let's bring in a line from here like that to here, and a line from here to here. Over here, what it doing? Over here, it's flat, and over here, what it doing? It's falling down. You got here a divergence. Should you enter short? Now you got a divergence here. Should you enter short? No, there is no entry short. You need to draw here that price action. May I show you here that megaphone we said here we got, and you waiting if it came up breaking down. It will not break. It will break higher, and it will go more higher than that. So till now there is no entry yet. You need to wait in more what the market is going to tell you. Everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see the Nasdaq 100 what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100, even that one the same thing. Also we enter long, we used to have here like a triangle like that. When it's getting broke here, we enter long. Before yesterday it came here, I told you protect yourself. Yesterday it was here in that level here. I told you let's wait if it's going to go higher and to break for us the last high. Let's break it, we are very close to break it now. As I told you, we are very close now to break. And we need to make a close eye here at that 200 moving average. If it's going to be broken or not, because look with me here. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. From here it fall down, then over here it push down. Now you are in it again. And that candle which is going now, it's left for it 2 hours. As I told you guys, that candle here is left for it 2 hours. You need to make a close eye what's going to happen here, if we are going to break higher here or not. Till now it's showing here a positive signal here, but we haven't break that last high which is here. Look with me here. You are in the peak of that candle here. So till now we haven't break it more higher. But people they enter with us, we enter from that candle here, that long time. We enter when the break is happening here, guys, here in that level here. Then look where we are now. Now what should we do? Nothing. We still having our profit and we see if we are going to break higher here or no. Or it's going to come down here and to give us here a price action indicating for us also we need to enter short. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it enter here to the overbought area. Level we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. But the price action, we don't have no price action yet here indicating for us also we need to enter short. So we need to wait in a little bit if we are going to go more higher or we are going to change the direction and to reverse to a downtrend now. Everything is too clear. Now we're going to see what the Nasdaq 100 doing today in the 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, it tried to give us here like a flag like that. Look with me here. As you see it, give you here a flag. Now if you make it like that, you got a flag here in 30 minutes. That one, if it's breaking higher here, how you going to do it? You bring that line here and you do it like that. Here in 30 minutes, it's showing to us it's still going up more than that. Because tomorrow is going to come the CPI. That's why me, I'm still worried. But till now here, there is no price action here. It's showing to us the market is going to change. So I think picture is very, very clear here. And here you can even draw in here like that, like a mega fall like that or something like that, and you're waiting if it's getting broke up, it's going to go more higher than that. But me now, I got on the spot here that flag like that. It's very clear flag here now. Look at it here. If you came like that, now you got a flag here in 30 minutes. So if it's breaking up here, it's going to go more higher on that level where we are here. It's very stronger levels. We need to make a close eye at it. What is going to happen? Let's see our indicators, what they're saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's enter here to the overbought area level. You are in a very stronger level, but you don't got any price action here indicating for you need to enter short. Unless if it came here another price action, that's another story. But till now, also we still going up or in an up channel. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's going to see the Dxy or US dollar, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Dxy or US dollar. That one, as you see it, when it gave us here that double top here in that 4 hours, we enter short the break here. Now it's showing here a consolidation level, as you see it here in that level here. Should we enter long? No, my friend, there is no entry long. All the investors now, today and tomorrow, they waiting the CPI data, what is going to tell them. My advice to you, don't open a trade before the CPI data. Waiting the CPI data to come, then after it by 30 minutes, then try to open an order if you got all the condition met. But before, don't try to open nothing, because all the market, it give you going up, then after that you're going to see it falling down. So you need to be careful about that things, me, I'm telling you. Here in the US dollar, there is nothing new here. The market showing here, it's very, very, very flat. And that's what I told you why, because the CPI data, majority of investors, they are still waiting. If the CPI data, it came positive, that meant below the previous one, you're going to see the US dollar, it's falling down more. If it came negative, that meant more than the previous one, you're going to see the US dollar going up. So that one, you need to make a close eye at that. Let's see our indicators, what they're saying. Our indicator, as you see it, when we enter here to the overbought area, also we enter short. Now it came here to the oversold area. It's showing now it's flat market. Now you are in a very nice profit. People, they enter in British pound. British pound, it's make very nice profit. They enter in the Euro USD, they make very nice profit. They enter in the Aussie, they make very nice profit. And the people they short the USD Japanese yen, they make very nice profit. Now what should you do? Try to protect yourself. Take some of the profit now. Protect yourself now. It's going now to 30 minutes to see what is it there for picture to get more clear to you. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, it gave us here a price action. Look with me here and look with me here. You got here in 30 minutes a symmetric triangle. That one, if it's break up here, you enter long. If it's break down here, you enter short. But my advice to you, I will repeat it. Tomorrow the CPI data is going to come, so you need to be careful about that. Unless if you want to enter long from here to the 200 or to enter short a little bit like that. Try to protect yourself, not just for scalping and day trading, but for swing trading, not yet. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, is here at the middle. So there is no entry long, no entry short. Only thing I told you, that one. You focus it about it. If it's breaking up here, you can enter from here to the 200 moving average. It takes some few pips if you trade in the Forex. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's going to see the Bitcoin, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin, he show us here, he breaking that level here, but now what it's showing that break here is a fake breakout. So people, they enter with us for some time, I think from here. Now try to protect yourself. Try to protect yourself. We don't know exactly the CPI data, how it's going to come. The only person we know is the Fed Jerome Powell. That the only person we know. Us now, no, we don't know nothing. And here in 30 minutes, it gave us here a double top. Look at it here. It's very clear here. And actually, it's breaking the neckline here. That one maybe is going to go down to here, to that level here. Or maybe from here is going to go higher. You got any price action here to enter long. You can make like that, like a channel like that, a down channel like that. And you wait it if it's getting blocked upward here to enter long maybe. But me, I think now it's going to reverse. Let me show you why. Because you got a divergence in the 4 hours. If you don't watch the yesterday video, when I analyze for you only the Bitcoin, go to watch it. I analyze it for you in the daily, in the 4 hours, 30 minutes. Go and watch that video. It's explained to you everything. Over here, we just make a quick view to it in 30 minutes. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, enter here to the overbought area level. It show you here a fake breakout now, very clear fake breakout there. So you need to be focused about it. Fake breakout, look with me here. If you bring and you draw in here a horizontal line, what you seeing? See the chart here, it tried to break up, but it couldn't stay above. Then now it's breaking down. That one is a fake breakout here. I think picture is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, if you remember, we show you yesterday, we got here a clear divergence here. Look with us here, you got a very clear divergence here. And even in the 4 hours, you got a very clear divergence. The only price action you have here is that one. You need to wait till it's getting broke down here. That's for 4 hours. If you want to enter short in Bitcoin, and I'm going to come to you when the daily candle finishes. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates. And you, if you are a subscriber with us for some time, please smash that like button, writing down a comment, and if you could share the video. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. So guys, that's it for that video. See you after the daily candle finish it. Bye for now.